Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Siri to ChatGPT. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use Siri but have it answer using ChatGPT. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the settings option of your iPhone. Then click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, go ahead and scroll down, and then underneath extensions, click on ChatGPT. Now it's going to prompt you where you can actually log into your ChatGPT account so that you can connect Siri with ChatGPT. Now, once it's connected, make sure that the toggle on button is on for ChatGPT, and you could also turn off confirm requests on the bottom by toggling that off. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch Siri to ChatGPT. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.